Welcome back to my channel. It's really good to see you. Today I'm going to show you how you can make this beautiful bejeweled turquoise Christmas ball ornament. So stay tuned. Turquoise ornament was made with the clear plastic Christmas ball you can get at the Dollar Tree, and the ribbon is from Dollarama, and this jewel here is actually a bracelet from Dollarama. So look how pretty that looks together. Isn't that beautiful? I also picked up some of these silver Christmas ornaments from Dollar Tree. I thought they were stunning. I got a whole bunch of them. I also picked up this silver tray from Dollar Tree. Look how pretty. Perfect for your display. I hope you liked my video today. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Everyone, please take care. Have a safe weekend. I'll see you next time.